Welcome to today's video showcasing some insane driving moments which don't end well. Whether it's a crash, instant karma, or really stupid decisions, be sure to watch carefully and learn exactly how not to drive. Speeding vehicle going extremely fast doesn't have enough time to react. Unaware car doesn't acknowledge an oncoming motorcyclist, causing a crash. Luckily, the motorcyclist was unharmed. Illegal overtake on a slippery, wet road goes wrong. Reckless BMW driver gets served with instant karma. Don't go speeds which you can't handle. Watch as this red light runner gets T-boned after recklessly speeding through the light.
Ёбаный ты пидорас, блядь!
Speeding vehicle loses traction on the road, causing a collision with another vehicle. Distracted speeding driver doesn't even attempt to brake and collides with cars in front. Tailgating goes wrong when the car in front needed to brake. The silver car got taught a very important lesson that day. Driver stops in the middle of the freeway and put his hazard lights on. Should other cars have slowly stopped instead of just overtaking? Another driver not paying attention to what's in front of them. Reckless speeding driver gets served with instant karma, luckily narrowly missing other cars and not hurting anyone.
Voilà, ça va pas passer, je le souhaite pas, mais ça va pas passer. Bordel de merde! Oh!
Very narrow close call and a justified reaction.
What the fuck? You have a fucking yield sign, asshole.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Another extremely narrow miss from a careless driver. Idiot biker attempts to play a prank on the cops before recklessly speeding off, but watch what happens next. Not only is he on a one-way street, he's also speeding.
如果你要是出入境的话，那么你过境的时候呢，因为咱们 H1B 的生效时间是有效时间是3年嘛，3年过后之后再延期，对不对？那你这3年期间，如果你要是出入境美国的话，那么你会需要去面签，面签的时候呢，你会有一个 H1B 的这个签证。那这个签证呢，有效期只有1年，意味着什么？意味着你以后就是整整1年呢，你可以多次出入境，你不需要去再去面签了，那么缺点就是
Careless and unaware of his surroundings, this driver nearly causes a car crash. Always check your mirrors and don't be entitled.